Hello traders. Last week in my written analysis I said that I'm bullish USDJpy, and in this video I want to explain more in depth my reasoning for this. On the screen we have the chart on a longer term, and as we can see, since the start of 2021, USD GPI traded upwards, and after this break we see here ascending triangle, and after the break of the resistance of this ascending triangle, the pair accelerated to the upside and had a top above 150, a very strong uptrend. Of course, after this high, uh, the pair started to drop. And looking at the overall trend, this in fact is just a correction. Of course, in my opinion, it will not go again to 150, but I think we will enter a range trading for a large range trading for this pair. Zooming in, we see that after this low at around 127, a new attempt, it's like a double bottom here, and a strong break above this falling trend line resistance of this channel. Also very interesting is that last week we have a break above the neckline of the double bottom, drop again, and a pin bar. And on Friday, great volatility. The pair tried to break under the 130 zone and reverse strongly, leaving also a pin bar on our daily chart. So going further, I expect this low to hold and to have continuation to the upside. My first target for this pair is this resistance above 134, but we can, if we have a break here, we can go even to 140. Of course, if it drops under this low, so we have a daily close under this low, this scenario is negated. In conclusion, I'm strongly bullish this pair, and I'm already in a buy trade. But my suggestion is to try to buy dips around 131, let's say. And as I said, the stop loss under this low, and take profit at least to 134. That's it for this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.